Hey y'all, anybody watching this video struggling to split firewood? Well, here I will show you what to look for to make your life that much easier and less effort when splitting firewood. So we'll come in, and what you want to look for are the lines on the wood. See the grain? Call this the grain. You want to slice with the grain. That will make life much easier. Watch. And just like that, easy split wood when you hit it with the grain. Show you again. Grab a big chunk. Look for the grain. Again, we can see it moving this way. Right? Definitely the grain of the wood. They're faint lines, not the rings, the lines. Hit that way. That's it. One more tip. Make sure your axe isn't too sharp or it sticks to the wood and it's way harder to get out. Remember that for next time. Thanks for watching. Look for the lines. It's just that easy. Even with knotty wood.